Remaining two parts in tangent and normals. Tangents and normals. So those are, one is angle between two curves, an angle, and also one more, the length of tangent normals and subtangent and subnormal. First one, I mean, in tangent normal, second topic, that is lengths of tangent, normal, subtangent, and subnormal. Okay, length of tangent, subtangent, normal, subnormal. So in in the diagram, how we can understand that all these lengths I will give you. Suppose I'm taking a curve which is like, this is a curve y equal to f of x, and on this curve I'm taking a point p x1 y1. At that point only we can draw tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal, whatever it is, we can draw tangent and normal at the same point. Now that's why I'm taking one point on the curve. Let p be one point. This is the point p. Let p be any point on the curve p x1 y1. Okay, now we know how to draw the tangent. See, this is nothing but tangent. We know the line which is touching the curve at single point, at a point, that is called tangent. Okay, this is tangent. And normal, the line which is perpendicular to the tangent and passing through the same point, that is called normal. Yeah, this is normal. Okay, and if you draw x-axis, that is like this is called x-axis, which is horizontal line, na? So anyway, when we draw in the coordinate axis directly also, you'll get like this. A curve, tangent and normal, always tangent or normal or and normal 100% should meet x-axis somewhere, like this, compulsory. Every line meets x-axis somewhere, that already I told you. In that way, this tangent touches x-axis here and normal touches y-axis here, x-axis here. See, x-axis, y-axis, origin, tangents touching here and normal touching here. Okay, and I'm taking, this is some L and this is some EM. Now what I am doing, I am drawing a perpendicular line from this point to the x-axis. Perpendicular line I draw here. This is a perpendicular line from the point where you drawn tangent and normals. From that point I draw a perpendicular line. I am taking some here, the name Q. Okay, now now this is tangent and this is normal. What about length of tangent? Length of tangent from where to where? Length of tangent is equal to from this point to where the line meeting or cutting x-axis, that is nothing but length of tangent. So this we can write what? Length of tangent. What about length of normal? This is length of normal from P to this M. Length of normal. And what about length of subtangent? This is length of subtangent from this point to this line, this point. length of subtangent, and length of subnormal is this one, length of subnormal. So we need length lone na, so this is one length and one more length, one more length, one more length. So these are the four required lengths. So first length of tangent is PL, P2L, length of tangent is PL, that is P2L. At that point Px1 y1 we are finding na, so we can write this as, we should use compulsory differentiation na, that's why. So we should write this as mod of y root over 1 plus m square by m, mod of y root over 1 plus m square by m, where m is what always? M is nothing but what? F dash of x1 y1. Means at that point we need the slope, that is m. And y is nothing but what? Y is clearly the curve y equal to f of x. So this is a formula to find length of tangent. Now what about length of normal? Length of normal. So I told you already, length of normal is nothing but what? This is length of normal, PM. PM is length of normal, which is in the formula form mod y root over 1 plus m square. The y and m already given. This is length of normal. Now third one, length of subtangent. Length of subtangent. That what I gave you already. Length of subtangent is this only, LQ, which is written as in the formula form, that is mod of y by m. This is mod of y by m. And the last one we have, that is what, length of subnormal. Length of subnormal. Length of subnormal. So length of subnormal formula. What is length of subnormal? This only length of subnormal, QM, which is equal to what? Mod of y into m. So these are the formulas. You should remember all these formulas to find all the lengths, tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal. Okay. Let us see one example. Just you have to see all the formulas. Length of tangent y root over 1 plus m square by m. Length of normal y root over 1 plus m square. In this, the numerator is that only. And length of subtangent y by m, length of subnormal y into m. For all the lengths we need to write mod. Why? Because length should be positive. If you get negative also, you can write as positive. Okay, that's why I are writing all the lengths in mod form. Now see here, I will give you an example for lengths. So example one question, very easy question I will give you. What is the length of the subnormal? Very important, this is subnormal at any point on the curve. At any point on the curve, y square equal to 4ax. Options given, minus a plus a minus 2a plus 2a. These are the options given. Okay. So you know how to find the length of subnormal. What is the formula? Length of subnormal y into m. Means we need to find m compulsory, right? Solution given y square equal to 4ax. Then we can write what? Y equal to root over 4ax. Okay. Differentiation with respect to x. For y square, you can write 2y dash equal to 4a into 1. Then we can write y dash equal to 4a by 2y. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, which is equal to 2a by y. So this is m, nothing but the slope m. But he is asking what length of subnormal, na? Length of subnormal equal to mod by m, which is equal to mod by m. M is what? 2a by y. Then your y cancel, which is equal to 2a, which is option number 4. So in this way we can find the lengths of tangent, normal, subtangent, subnormal. So now one more question I will give you. The length of the normal at any point. The length of the normal at any point on the curve x square minus y square equal to a square, which is hyperbola, is the options are given here. Is first option is a, second option is mod a, and the third option is OP, where O is the origin. OP, where O is origin, and the fourth option is none. See, we should understand the question properly first. It is very easy. Length of is asking subnormal. Okay, length of subnormal. How we can find the lengths? All lengths we have formula. Okay, so what is the formula to find the length of normal? Solution. Given curve x square minus y square equal to a square. Okay. Yeah. See, length of normal. Okay. First of all, differentiation we have to do. Differentiation with respect to x. For x square you will get 2x, for y square you will get 2y, y dash. For constant you will get 0, and both side 2 will get cancelled, taking common x minus y dash equal to 0, and minus y dash equal to minus x, minus cancel, we can write y dash equal to x by y. This is only m. We have here m. What is the formula? Length of normal is y root over mod y root over 1 plus m square, which is equal to mod y root over 1 plus m square. M square is what? X square by y square. M is x by y na. Mod y root over, if you do LCM you will get y square plus x square by y square, which is equal to mod y root over x square plus y square by, without root, y root square cancel na, y cancel, which is what? Root over 1 plus, sorry, x square plus y square. You will get root over x square plus y square. X square plus y square. See, root over x square plus y square means clearly option C. Why? From origin to any point p x comma y, that only, any point. Always distance is this only. So which is nothing but OP. The answer is OP, where O is origin, where O is origin. So this is option number 3 we have to mark. Okay. So in this way we can find the lengths. Now I will give you one question you have to solve here. That question, be ready. That question is, find the lengths of subtangent and subnormal. Find lengths of subtangent, that is mod y by m, subnormal, that is y into m, at a point p on the curve y equal to b into sine x by a, b into sine x by a. Yes, all. The question is length of the subnormal. Length of the subnormal. Length of the subnormal at 0 comma b, at 0 comma b to the curve y equal to b e power minus x by a. This is a question and I'm giving options also, that you can send me just option number 1, 2, 3, 4 like that. First option y square by mod a. Second option a. Third option b square mod a. And fourth option b square by a. Yeah, just solve and tell me. Yeah, b square by mod a you have to write. No, b square, you wrote b square by a, but that is b square by mod a you have to write. Okay. So this is the option that's correct only. And one more question. Be careful about this question. This is a little theoretical question. The question is length of subtangent at any point. Subtangent at any point. At any point. Length of subtangent at any point on the curve y power n equal to a power n minus 1 into x. Y power n equal to a power n minus 1 into x is option number 1, proportional to ops के साथ. And second option, proportional to ordinate. Third one, length of subnormal. Fourth one, none of the above. So these are the options for this question. If you find length of subtangent is equal to one of the four, not four, one of the three. Okay, right, tell me. What is the curve given? Y power n equal to a power n minus 1 x. This is given curve. Okay. If you find differentiation with respect to n, that is x, that is n into y power n minus 1 y dash equal to, for y internal derivation, n minus 1 into, see, no, not n minus 1, that is a constant, right? So you can write that a power n minus 1 into 1. Any doubt? Why? Because a power n minus 1 into x, now that given. Just a minute, I'm checking once again the curve. Which question? Yeah, a power n minus 1 into x only, na. So that's why a power n minus 1 is constant. I wrote, I mean, as a constant. So x derivation is 1. We need only y dash, right? Y dash means what? Y dash equal to a power n minus 1 by n y power n minus 1. This you will get actually. What I am doing here, y power n value is there. Y power n value is what? A power n minus 1 into x. This is y power n. We can write from this what? A power n minus 1 equal to y power n by x we can write. This x taking this side, it will be the denominator. You have a power n minus 1, that's why we can substitute this. What you'll get? A power n minus 1 means y power n by x into n into y power n minus 1. We can write like what, y power n by n into x into y power n into y power minus 1. So here y power n cancel. This y power minus 1 we can take numerator, you will get y by n. X is nothing but what? M. He is asking what? Length of subtangent. Length of subtangent. What is length of subtangent formula? Mod y by m, which is equal to mod y by nx. Since m is this only, na, y by nx, y cancel, this nx will be the numerator. So you will get mod of nx, which is equal to mod nx, which is proportional to x, where this is what? Abscissa. This is abscissa. Okay. So the option number 1. I think somewhere you did wrong. You can check and correct that. This is a solution. Now I will give you one more question. That is also like this only, a little bit theoretical question, and after that we will go for next remaining topic, that is angle between the curves. The question I am giving you, see here, I will give in the next page. The question is the length of the subtangent at a point on the curve y equal to b e power x by a, y equal to b e power x by a is what? Options. So your option number 1, various as the abscissa, various as the abscissa. Second option, various as the ordinate. Third option, constant. Fourth option, length of the subnormal. Tell me. The question is a little bit different question. If the normal to the curve, not length, normal equation, to the curve, the normal to the curve, y equal to f of x at 3, 4, makes an angle 3 pi by 4 with OX, then f dash of 3 is equal to option number 1 minus 1, option number 2 1, option number 3 minus 3 by 4, option number 4 4 by 3. So these are the options. Just try to solve.